वो क्या कर रहा है? So just try to know these things.
Just because of safety and just because of so-called boys. When we will not do hard work, then how we will succeed in our life?
Wake up to reality.
Now I would like to call from the boys side, Mr. Ajay. Please come and just clap for him.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you guys? I'm also fine. So now I'm going to speak about silence. Do you know guys what's the meaning of silence? Miss, if you don't know that, let me tell the first thing. The meaning of a silent. If you be silent or too much. यदि आप silence रहेंगे too much में बहुत ज्यादा, so means everyone will think, सब कोई सोचेगा he's not good person. What they are doing? वे क्या कर रहे हैं? What they are doing? वो क्या कर रहा है? So just try to know this thing. If you will silent, यदि आप silence रहेंगे, so everyone will know. So everyone will know. सब कोई जानेगा the value of your words. आपकी कीमत, आपके वर्ड की कीमत. So just try to be a silent. How much will you silent? कितना आप साइलेंट रहेंगे? So on that time, उस समय everyone will know. Everyone will know. सब कोई जानेगा the value of your words. आपकी शब्द की कीमत. If you will not silent, यदि आप साइलेंट नहीं रहेंगे, so means if you will speak always time, then everyone will not know the value of your words.
Good morning, friends. Good morning. How are you all? Fine, and you? Aman Javed. Do you know? So now I'm going to tell about safety. Do you know, guys? It's a big problem for girls. Do you know why? Because many of the parents they are fearing to send their daughter to anywhere. Do you know why? Just because of safety. And यहाँ पे बहुत से माँ बाप अपने बच्चियों को नहीं भेज रहे क्योंकि बहुत से रेप केसेस चल रहे हैं हमारे इंडिया में, और ये इंडिया में ही नहीं, ये बहुत सी जगह चल रहे हैं. That's why many of the parents they are fearing to send their daughter. And if any girls want to go any city, any other country, that time their parents never give chance to them for reading just because of this type problem, just because of safety. Do you know many of the person they are doing as like things and they never feel regret. बहुत से लोग ऐसे चीज कर रहे हैं और वो थोड़ा सा भी रिग्रेट फील नहीं करते हैं, और ये भी नहीं सोचते हैं कि अगर ये मेरी बहन बेटी के साथ हुआ तो ये कैसा लगेगा. And if I talk about safety, so at this time government never care about that matter, because if government care that matter, then it can't be happen again and again. And ये 3 साल बच्चियों के साथ हो रहा है, 3 महीने तक की बच्चियों के साथ हो रहा है, and it is very shameless for us. And I'm not blaming only boys, I'm also blaming to girls. Do you know why? Because एक अगर माता अपने बच्चे को सिखाती कि नहीं ये गलत है, तो I think कोई भी ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. That's why it is very bad for us. And if we will care about that matter. This is Payal from Indrapur, and I am a student of Nadwa Learning Institute. And so now I am going to tell about life. Do you know what is life? So if I talk about what is life, so life is in this time we are living, it's a life, and we should try to live in life perfect way, because ये जिंदगी सिर्फ जिंदगी नहीं है, हमारे लिए एक टास्क है जिसे हमें किसी भी कीमत पे पूरा करना है. And we should try to do hard work in life, because when we will not do hard work, then how we will succeed in our life. And when we will not succeed, then we will feel मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता लाइफ में. So that's why I'm saying. And in life we have to facing many of the problems, so doesn't matter, it's a natural, we have to face. And for getting something we have to lose, because यह जीवन का एक नियम है, क्योंकि हमें कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना भी पड़ता है. And if I talk about girls life, so according to me girls life is very hard, because I know I'm girl, I know what is